helicopters in the fleet. That rotor on the back is a fenestron. That's a French word that translates to little window. There's a reason it is a bit different. It's in that shrouded area because quite often rescues could be done in a crowded area. And it keeps the aft rotor blades from hurting people. It's enclosed in that round shroud. There are 10 blades back there, and the blades are unevenly spaced to keep the noise level down. And with the shroud around those 10 blades, it also helps to harness the thrust and becomes more effective. Many of the components on the helicopter are made of composite materials, some people call plastic, but they're state-of-the-art space-age type materials. Very, very light but extremely strong, especially by conventional standards. Cleveland National Airshow, the Coast Guard, enlisted men, the officers, the auxiliary, keep the waterways clear for us, keep them safe for rescue if necessary. They work while we play. We give the Coast Guard a big wave as they pass in front of us. On duty, day in and day out. When you're in distress on the water, when your boat, your pleasure craft, or commercial vehicle is stricken, you're powerless at the mercy of the waves, and perhaps even taking on water, because trouble comes in twos and threes. A call to the Coast Guard will have you safe and sound. They have been doing it for a long time. They will continue to do it as well. And with it a bit quiet now, how about a big round of applause for your United States Coast Guard? Since 1969, saving you the runaround with a store here in the spectator area.